everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to repeat this one website. That's pretty huge website, and I'm gonna repeat that. First of all, we need to copy or make a screen of this one photos and images here, and also we need to screen something that we can't really copy and write. For example, this one iconic icon people here, images, and here. I have already screened them. Then we need to make screen of this one icon. So let's see. I have this one result. Okay, then we need to copy this one and put into the button. Then we need to put this one image. Here our image. Okay, I'm gonna put that inside of this. We write this one code. We need to put here the image. This one. We need to open one motif, and inside of that we need to write image. Let's see. Okay, then we need to open here new CSS, name it first part display flex. Let's see, that's too big for this one. Do you think so? So we need to make this one image width more small, and here also. To make that, first of all we need to write here in the div where is put an image of reading humans class smaller. We need to give to the div image of div with less than maybe 400 pixels, but I don't think that's the difference here. Did I do any mistake? Image more small. We need to go here, and inside of the image we need to write style and width 400 pixels. Yeah, we can see the difference. Then we need to go here, and that's done it. In this one we need to write just 500 space between. Okay, then we need to go here, the right and div. We need to give to this one div class in purpose of making its width smaller. Width. Let's give to that width 800 pixels. Oh no, 400. That's change the situation. In the first part, like in the one div which is contains of two little divs, we need to give here also width. I'm gonna give width 800 pixels. Let's see. Oh, we can see the difference. Let's see here. Yeah. Oh yes, but I'd like to make that more. I think this one's better. And here I want to lose it to 370 pixels. I think we can see the difference here. Okay, we need to write here and also text align left, as we can see here. Okay, now we need to make the image here more smaller. We need to open style width 100 pixels. Let's see, that's too little. Let's give here 250 pixels. I think that's enough. No, but what about this? I think this one will be enough, really. Next, go to the button. Inside the button, we need to write class. Okay, parts 1. We need to make that margin bigger. No, I mean padding. Let's give to the 30 pixels. Then we need to change font size. Let's give it large. Let's see. Oh, I think that's too big. Maybe larger. Oh no, that's too big. We need to give here medium. Okay, I think padding of 30 pixels is too much, and I'd like to give 20. I think that's much more better. Then we need to give more circlet angles, border radius, and 10 pixels. That's enough. Then we need to change its color. Can we read none? No, we can't. We need to make it more light. Okay. Then we need to change H1's font here. First part, font family. The bucket names. That's much more better. Here we can see the difference between this one and this one, and here we can see the difference of width. If there's this one's ending here, starting from here, and this one's ending here, there we can see the difference among the space here. So I think we need to write to each one tag one more style to make clear its width. I think there's we need to here in the tag of paragraph make less width. Let's go. Style width. Here we have width of words 370. I'd like to make it less till 340 pixels. Let's see. You can see the difference. Okay, we need to keep going. What about 20? I think that's much more better. Then we need to change the space here. We need to shift this one icon and picture till here. We need to use for that here margin top. This one CSS function makes to shift this one image till the bottom from the top. The simple to say space that we need to shift. I think 30 pixels. Okay, I think that's enough. No, but I think 20 will be enough. Okay, then go to the bottom. I need to make that margin to the top. 30 pixels. Yeah, we can see the difference here. Then we need to write here in the first part. I forgot, sorry. Flex direction. Row. Let's see. Okay. Then we need to shift it till the center. I'm gonna do it with margin left, which then it will shift this one flex from to here, from there till here, left to center. To make that, I'm gonna use margin to left. Okay, I think 350 pixels will be enough. No, that's too much. I need to make it less till 212. No, 10. That's enough, I think. Then we need to. I think we just finish it with the first step. Yep. Then we need to go here. We need to open there another one div to here. Then we're gonna open to here. Okay. We just did screen it this one image. Okay, we're gonna open one more div to this one. We have to give here class. Second part. Okay. First of all, we need to put inside of this one first div the image. Replace. Okay, then. Okay, let's see. Open in browser. That's too big, really. If you can see, we need to make this one's width like this one. But I did screen it this one with this one spaces here because I'm gonna make write the width of this more little bit less than this. Okay, style width here. I write 370 or I don't know. I just write here 400 and then right here also 400. Let's see the difference. Oh no. That that makes that more less than this. Let's make this one more. Let's see. I don't think that's enough. Maybe 30. I think that's enough, really. Then we need to open one motif for another one things. For this one words. Oh no, for this one words. Page 2. Okay. Okay. Oh no, sorry. We need to write this one words to each paragraph, I think. But I'm gonna try something else here. I'd like to open one class, and to each one class I'm gonna put about one paragraph, or I have another way to do that. Let's do like that. We need to just write input. Input, type, checkbox, and close it. How much we can? Okay, we have 4. Let's copy and put inside this one input. We're gonna open check paragraph. Okay, we don't need these ones. Silly me. Hi guys, sorry I forgot. We cannot write check paragraph inside of check input. To now to this, we can just write paragraph, and inside of that we can write inputs. Let's just copy. Then we need to write this. Okay, we need to delete this one. Okay, let's see. That's clear, really. Then we need to write here second part. Second part. How to say flex. Okay. Sorry. Let's see our mistake. I just wrote second without part. Okay, I did that very well. Let's see. Here we can see the space between them. I think I need to open one more style CSS here. I think I need to open for inputs, margin, to choose between like margin bottom. I think so. 20 pixels, I think that will be enough. Okay, I think I can make that more, like 25. Yeah, that's more better. And go here. I want to make the here space more. Now then I need to read here style with another margin bottom, like 25 pixels. I think that's too little. Let's write 30. Let's write here font size like large, 2x large. I think I can see the difference. Okay, inside of second part we need to write font family. You can see the difference. Then we need to go here and we need to make here width. Okay, that's too little. Let's use 300. Here we can see here and here grouped together. And here, I think I need to write to each one with 300. Here. What I did it. Let's delete that. Okay, I think we need to do to each. No, I can't do that. I know the problem. We can just write inside of the P, I think. Style with 300 pixels. Okay, that didn't really change the problem. I think we can just write here second part equals to 300 pixels. Yeah, I think I can. Then we need to shift it from left to right. We need to write margin left. How much that was? 310 pixels. Let's see. Oh, that's good, I think. Let's give here space from display content. Space between or around. Oh no, what is it? So we need to do just this. Command Shift on 4, and here we just copying this one, and congratulations, we just did the screen of this one. And we need to do this also. Command Shift on 4. Okay, let's go to the bottom. We need to screen this one also. Command Shift 4. Okay, we did that. Then last we need to copy this. Here I'm going to start from here because I cannot repeat this sign of C from the computer, so I'm going to just make screen of that. Okay, I think everything's clear, so let's go to the Visual Studio. So as I said in previous lessons, we need to open 2 folders, index HTML and style CSS. We need to write this one essential code, and we need to here close the head. Yep. So let's start. We need to first of all open the div. In this lesson, we're gonna open a lot of divs, as much as we can. Oh no, sorry. First of all, we need to open a body. Inside of this one, we're gonna write divs. First div. First of all, what we're seeing here, there is this one squares. This one squares here. I think we can't repeat this one squares with div, and here. So we're just gonna put the image inside of the body in the CSS. I downloaded the image, so background image URL. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I just downloaded this one. I downloaded something that is look like as much as can. So that was that I found. Inside of this one div, we need to first of all write a class. I'm gonna name our class the first part. Inside of here, we need to write first of all this one inside of div, this one information, and after that we need to put inside of div this one image, and we're gonna make them together, put into the flags. So div h1. Let's copy. Then comment. Oh no. Here space like that. We need to write inside of this one div where we just save its inputs like style, margin left. I think 50 pixels. We did difference. I think we need to write more. 70. I think that's more, looks better. Okay, then what we can see, we see here a white background, and then we need to give to div background color it white. Background color white. No, not width, white. Let's see. Can't see any differences. Okay. I think there isn't any problem. I did give here. You can see. Inside of the second part, we need to give width like 300, I think. Let me think. I know we shouldn't give the second part margin or width of 300 and something like that, so we need to give it here. let's see how much. Here just 3,000 pixels. Okay, let's see. I need to give here margin of this one. Oh no, width. I mean 840 pixels. And that's okay. I did that very well, I think. Then go to the third part. They have this also this one. Thanks here. I did copy this one. We'll go here. We need to open one motif really. Try to give here class. Third part. Okay. We need to first of all write the text and after that put the image. Let's see. We can see this, and after that we need to put this one photo inside of another div.